Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today we're going to use Cricut's print and cut feature to create our own puzzles. I'll have everything you need in the description box below. If you like the video, you learned something new, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin this project, we're just going to go ahead and start off in Cricut Design Space, and I've already uploaded the image that I want to use today. And since this is a print and cut image, obviously this is too big. So I need to go over here and change my dimensions to 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm just going to go up here. First, I'm going to unlock the box and change it to 6.25. Wait, no, 6.75. Let me see. Yeah, 6.75 by 9.25. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my images in Cricut Design Space, and I've typed in large puzzle, and I'm just going to scroll until I find what I'm looking for. I have Cricut Access, so I pay like $10 a month, so this will be free for me. Ooh, look at this one. But you can always purchase in a puzzle SVG off Etsy. So what I'm going to do first is get rid of this brown background. I'm just going to go to the eyeball and hide it. I don't like this brown edge. Oh well, we'll see what happens. But we're going to go ahead and change the dimensions of this puzzle to the same. Oh, I could just change the color to white. Okay, that's better. Awesome. So, change the dimensions. Let's unlock this box. Go to 6.75. No, yeah, by 9.25. And then I'm going to select all, align, and center. So now our puzzle and our images are aligned with each other. And so I'm going to go down here and hit attach. And by doing that, my Cricut will cut and print out my image, and then it'll cut the puzzle pieces. And then we'll go ahead and make it. And it's giving us a preview of what it will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Send to my printer. And I'm just using a regular inkjet printer. I'm using my EcoTing 2750. I don't want my bleed on, so I'm just going to cut that off. Just need one copy and go ahead and hit print. So I'm going to go ahead and print this on some sticker paper, and we'll be right. So I have my printed design, and I'm just going to flip it over and peel the backing, and I do it this way to keep my paper from curling up. And I'm just going to attach it to a cereal box that I ended up cutting up and I'm using for this project. So I'm just going to make sure that my sticker paper is nice, flat, and smooth. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And with this sticker paper, once you lay it down, it's permanent. So you just want to make sure that you place it correctly. Then I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the extra of my cereal box and place it on my strong grip mat. Okay, so now that we've printed it and then attached it to our, we're just going to call it chipboard for the sake of this tutorial. We're going to go ahead, I turn my dial to custom, and we're going to, let's cut this on craft board because it is pretty thick, and let's see how that works out. And let's just do more pressure And we're just going to go ahead and hit go on our machine. So now that everything is all cut out, and I did cut it about 3 times, I'm just going to go ahead and flip my mat over and peel my mat away from my puzzle pieces. And that is it, you guys. We just made our own puzzle. Like, how dope is that? As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.